President Rodrigo Duterte has appointed Philippine Army Commander Lieutenant General Cirilito Sobejana as the next Chief of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Sobejana replaces AFP Chief of Staff Gilbert Gapay, who retires on February 4. Sobejana says being selected as the 55th AFP chief is a great honor. Before becoming the head of the Philippine Army, he commanded the Joint Task Force Sulu, the Maguindanao-based 6th Infantry Division, and the Western Mindanao Command. Sobejana is the third Medal of Valor awardee to become AFP Chief of Staff. He earned it in 1995 after leading the fight in Isabela Basilan against 150 Abu Sayyaf terrorists. Sobejana is a member of the Philippine Military Academy Hinirang class of 1987. Philippine National Police Chief General Debold Sinas is his mistah.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.